Tesla dropped about 4% today, closing the day out at 290.80. When will this stop? If you were paying attention to yesterday's video and you took notes of the ranges that I provided as well as the structure here that we managed to close below yesterday right here, you would have been well set up for a great day today, as we did manage to open just below the structure. We had a little bit of noise within, but then we popped right back to the downside. Now we did find support at the lower part of this zone, but we did go on later to show rejection towards the top as well as rejection of this resistance here at 300, and then later in the day we did manage to fall below and get solid confirmation that we were going to go lower. So if you haven't been paying attention to the levels I provide in each video as well as the structures, go ahead and start taking note, as well as hitting that like button, commenting, and subscribing for more content. As you can see, we're fast approaching our 200-day simple moving average, currently sitting at 277.59. Everyone's watching this like a hawk, waiting for that juicy bounce off of that level. There's a lot of confluence with that level. If we draw a trend line, you can see that this high here has a lot of confluence with it, as well as a couple of rejections a little bit lower. To be honest, I'm not sure if we get down there tomorrow. We are quite oversold on the daily time frame. As you can see, the RSI is currently sitting at 2670 in the oversold area. Now that being said, oversold can always get to be more oversold. Don't look at that as a sign that we're oversold and we're going to reverse for a quick pop back to the upside. Totally possible, but I'd be watching something else, something with a little bit more confluence. I would just say that the RSI is a good indication of, hey, this move happened a little bit quickly. There has to be some kind of relief, but we could literally just stall out here for a while and RSI will cool back down to more neutral territory and potentially have another drop there. So that's my 2 cents on RSI. Now what I am watching would be this channel here. As you can see, we're nearing the bottom, we're almost there. Tomorrow the bottom of the channel is going to be at 282.79. As long as we don't close below 282.30 tomorrow, then we wouldn't have broken this structure here, and we could be potentially looking for a little relief bounce. As long as we don't open below 282.30 for a break of this structure tomorrow, the area that I'm going to be personally looking at is going to be between today's low, which was at 288.04, and this level here at 282.30. If you're looking for any kind of relief bounce, you're going to want to watch how price reacts within this level here. Again, the zone is from 282.30 to 288.04. I'd be cautious about a move to the upside tomorrow if we manage to open within our structure here, as yesterday we managed to close beneath this structure as well as open and close a candle outside of it today. Any kind of move to the upside tomorrow could just be a retest of this structure for another continuation lower, potentially to grab the 200-day simple moving average later. Also, I provided this range here in yesterday's video. It's a little small, but we'll expand. You can see that there's a lot of confluence with the idea that any move to the upside might just be a retest of this area. So if we bounce around here and we move back to the upside, then I would be very cautious in this area. The levels for this zone are from about 297 to 301, with a pretty solid resistance here at $300 even. So the levels I'm paying attention to tomorrow are going to be this lower zone here from 282.30 to about 288, and then this upper zone here from 297 to 301, again with the solid resistance here at 300, and then on the downside this channel structure here at 282.30. That's going to do it for this video. Go ahead and comment your thoughts. Do you think we're too oversold to go ahead and wick off of this 200-day simple moving average tomorrow, or do you think we're going to fall right through the floor and we're going to close beneath it? Thanks for watching, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.